of November, there shall be no loss in your life. There shall be no loss in your home. There shall be no loss in your business. The doors that have closed over your life, today that doors are open for you. Gates of opportunities are open for you. Doors of favor have been opened in their own accord. There shall be no tears in your eyes this month. The message of God will be strange in your life. The peace of God will be strange in your life. The glory of God manifests in your life. You don't shed tears anymore. My prayer for you today is that in this month, the people who are mocking you will be celebrating you. In this month, those that said it is late will see you that you are the latest. In this month, those who are saying you are backward will see you moving forward. In this month, the glory of change, the glory of possibilities, the glory of the goodness of God will rest permanently on your life. And I welcome you to the month of November, your covenant month of salvation, season 2. Clap your hands and give God a shout in this house. Amen.